Today we start a chapter that's, in a sense, the core of the course, Newton's laws and dynamics. So we're going to talk about F equals ma, Newton's second law, and then we're going to do 10 problems, 10 fairly standard problems in introductory physics that deals with F equals ma. So it's a lot of variety in the problem. So most of the class this time is going to be problem solving. So the class is going to be a problem session where we do 10 nice problems. So E0, statics and dynamics, just to give you a little reminder that there are two branches here. With statics, what we're doing is we study forces and their effects on a body at rest. And then for dynamics, study of forces and their effects on a body in motion. So study of forces in both cases, but in one case, F, the net force, is 0. So we can write down F equals ma, like this. And for the case of statics, the net force is 0. And then for the case of dynamics, the net force is not 0, and therefore we have acceleration. So they're very, very important concepts in engineering. And I enjoyed the opportunity to teach statics and dynamics for 7 years with the NC State program and UNC Asheville. That's North Carolina State University in Raleigh. The courses were engineering statics, engineering 206, and engineering 208, engineering dynamics. So I enjoyed my 7 years as an adjunct professor of engineering at NC State. Here in Asheville, we're based in Asheville, doing the courses, NC State courses. So here's a truss configuration, a bridge, that illustrates statics, and all the forces here and all the points sum to 0. And we had neat ways of figuring out the force in a beam called the method of sections. So we would cut this, very, very nicely done in the statics course. And these beams are stationary, and in dynamics, the beams move. So here, workers working with a cherry picker that this beam can move, this beam can move. And that's the second course. Now, we're not going to do things this complicated, but you're getting the foundation for later study if you become an engineer.